Nike blasts StockX for selling counterfeit shoes. The Nike Inc. and StockX legal battle appears to be heating up after the giant sportswear company claims that the online sneaker marketplace has been selling counterfeit shoes. Nike recently took matters to court, calling out the marketplace for falsely advertising its promise to properly authenticate footwear. Recently, Nike shared that it purchased 4 pairs of fake sneakers from StockX, despite the fact that the company says they have authenticated all footwear. Earlier this week, Nike amended its court filing to state those 4 pairs of counterfeit shoes were all purchased within a short 2-month period on StockX's platform, all had affixed to them StockX verified authentic hang tag, and all came with a paper receipt from StockX in the shoebox stating that the condition of the shoes is 100% authentic. Amongst the 4 pairs is the patent-bred Air Jordan 1 High OG, which is one of StockX's 8 vault NFTs that Nike has claimed is infringing on its copyright. This sneaker is also StockX's best-selling NFT sneaker. StockX is home to many sneaker resellers as it is one of the largest platforms in that field. Interested in sneaker reselling and you don't know how to start? You have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day, and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. This will save you a lot of time doing research yourself. We created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial. Back to the case, the lawsuit dates back to February, when Nike sued StockX for blatantly free-riding on the Nike trademark and goodwill with its Vault NFTs. At the time, StockX argued that its Vault NFTs do not correlate to digital sneakers, but instead are physical sneakers that have been stored in a vault and can be traded digitally online. The resell giant refuted the claims and said that it lacked merit, and that what they're doing was no different than major e-commerce retailers and marketplaces who use images and descriptions of products to sell physical sneakers and other goods, which consumers see and are not confused by every single day. Nike has also expressed concern that reportedly infringed Nike-branded NFTs are linked to counterfeits. Despite the ongoing lawsuit, StockX has yet to remove any Nike trademarks from its Vault NFTs. StockX has yet to give a formal response.